Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video content is about how to modify the SIYI HDMI input converter's IP address. Before configuring parameters for the first time, you need to flash the module firmware using an SD card. This allows the configuration-related files to appear in the SD card. Format the USB drive. Go to the official SIYI website to download the firmware for this module. Save the bin firmware file to the root directory of the SDTF card, without changing the file name. Insert the SD card into the HDMI input module, restart the module, and wait 3 to 5 minutes for the firmware to be automatically flashed. After flashing the firmware, 2 TXT files will appear in the SD card's root directory. Curip.txt, used to view the module's current IP address. Setup.txt, used to set the desired IP address. Open the curip.txt file. For example, it might show 192.168.144.25 as the current IP address. Open the setup.txt file, and enter the desired IP address in the format IP. Insert the SD card back into the module, restart the camera, and wait 3 to 5 minutes for the IP address to be updated. Restart the module again. Use the QRIP.txt file on the SD card to confirm whether the new IP address has been successfully applied. If the update fails, check the format of the setup.txt file. Ensure it follows this structure. Testing complete. Thank you for watching. For more content, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.